What you talking about? Is Jaden Blaze?
Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now the people matter about it. The people must say them see Vybz Kartel overseas. Them see him with political officials from Belize. While in St. Vincent, them see him with the Prime Minister of St. Vincent. And make a point out this, did you know that? The Prime Minister for St. Vincent is the longest serving head of government in St. Vincent since it became independent in 9.
We're in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, loads of islands.
Dr. Paul, big up yourself, my general. Enough love from me and Isaac. No? Oh?
1979, and he became the Prime Minister in 2001 till now. This sound like a man loved by the people, respected by the people. Maybe it's a man where the Prime Minister can learn something from. We don't know. We just say something. We don't know. We just say something. But the people might ask, how is it that Vybz Kartel is loved, respected and admired across the Caribbean? We don't even talk about the world. North America far, Africa far, Europe far, St. Vincent, Trinidad, Belize, these places are in the Caribbean. How come Vybz Kartel is so loved and appreciated by these elected officials, but not so much by local officials, based on what we are see? Because remember, the Prime Minister iconically walked out to Vybz Kartel's song Clocks and debuted his Clocks. You know what I mean? Connecting with the people via that scene. So the people must say, how come Vybz Kartel in St. Vincent and we can see him with the Prime Minister? We can see him with Shine representing Belize. The people must say, no. Will the government or officials from the government be at Vybz Kartel show? People are saying they're not going to need them. But will they be there for show support, for entertainment? Of course, if Babs is all well, we know more likely Babs are going to be there. But we did see the Prime Minister at Buju Banton show, did we not? Me not fully recall. Tell me if the Prime Minister was there at Buju Banton's show, showing the support for Buju Banton. Because people have an next theory them always saying, what they upon Drink Champs, Nori talk to Buju, and Nori say, him notice say, over the years when him there on, wealthy people who have money, people who have things, him say one of the only set of music where you can turn up loud around them and them not complain is reggae music, and I think salsa music. Which are the music we hear more while we're in Miami. Watch a Miami show, they hear them. Yeah, you know what I mean? It have a vibes. I not tell you it have a dancing vibe, salsa music, it have a dancing vibes for real. But they must say it's reggae and the music there. You can turn it up as low. The man say you can turn up Bob Marley them and reggae music as loud as you want. Round rich people. Them good with it. No matter how loud them hear Bob Marley voice. Them can hear one love or too much decimals. Then good. So reggae music has always been that music supported by the upper class for some reason. I don't know why. Even though reggae was that music that represented the struggle of the poor man and the common man, it is now more appreciated and loved by the wealthier side of society for some reason. Tell the truth. Tell me if you noticed that. Have you ever noticed that most of the big iconic reggae performances are always attended by mostly the wealthier part of society? Yeah, they're gonna see a big reggae show or something, you're gonna see mostly people from the inner city there. So my time just the ticket cost alone, people from the inner city now show up. Plus the inner city kind of like more secular music. That's why Buju say him believes that dancehall would be more reggae's younger brother. And him say him feel like the younger generation gravitate, listen and use dancehall music to express for themselves. So he must say that's why younger generations gravitate to dancehall music and the older generation gravitate to more of a reggae vibes. And him being an artist where in a younger stage of his career, he was a dancehall artist himself. And then as him get older, because him say him never change, him say him just get older and in perspectives, him can see more, understand more and him become a reggae artist. So maybe it's a situation like that. But tell me if you notice that. Say, reggae seem to get more support from uptown in Jamaica than dancehall music, unless these people uptown are investors in a dancehall music. Meaning say, yo, them either them a producer, them a promoter where them keep shows, them own an entertainment spot or venue or something like that, and then yes, them will also be shareholders and investors in a dancehall music on that level. But aside from that, reggae music seem to be something where more accepted by uptown as opposed to dancehall music, and people say they must do that for some whole heap of years. Now I don't know why we haven't seen our elected officials taking their photo up with Vybz Kartel. I don't know, maybe them a wait. You know what I mean? You have to remember, you know, both political parties in the Jamaican island are also gearing up for what they may consider a general election. So maybe that scene, you know, maybe Vybz Kartel himself hasn't been, you know, in mind and depend that. Without him go to St. Vincent for link the St. Vincent Prime Minister, it just something will happen. Without him go there and know say Shine, they go there for link up with Shine, just something will happen. So maybe the whole situation is that, and maybe now we're getting closer to a general election. Maybe it's a great plan to use the influence of Vybz Kartel then. Some people believe say Jamaican officials aren't really interested in entertainment overall. Haven't really used that to connect with the people and since recently, until recently, when we did say it's almost like it was a political dub plate clash, because every political official had some form of dub plate from some musician. Yeah, everybody would have some kind of dub where, you know, I big up them and them party. So that was when we really see them really use music and entertainment in that sense. Of course, when rally keep and them thing they keep, music always play. Yeah, music always play. So, you know, that's a part of the gathering. Jamaicans will gather and all the vibes better when there's a little music being played and, you know what I mean, a little vibes is there. So, they have always used music. But politically, nowadays we see them really use music certain way. But tell me you think, Vybz Kartel has always been an artist where he not really try to get himself involved in that scope of the industry. Because an artist will make music for everybody. You know what I mean? He not make music for no set of people. He make music for everybody who love and appreciate the type of music where he make. Because remember, him now make reggae music, so to speak. He have a song on a one drop rhythm. But him now necessarily make reggae music. So if a reggae artist like that song on the one drop rhythm, then, you know what I mean? Or a reggae fan, I should say, fans of reggae like that specific song on a one drop rhythm, then you know that. But the aim enough to go out there go say, man, make reggae music, you must make music. And people who like that music, wherever your political view is, wherever you think, whether you're Rasta, you're Ballad, well, you know, whatever your preference is, as long as you like the music, him not try to make music for no particular set of people. You know what I mean? Unless that particular set of people is fans of dancehall music. So any walks of life, as long as he's a fan of dancehall music, Vybz Kartel and make music for you. So I guess that's why maybe we not see him with no elected officials locally in our own country of origin. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, pass through the subscribe icon and the bell icon. Of course, put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now, until the reason I get my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love and prosper, and for to stay tuned.